Good morning, student. In 10th standard political science, we have to study the chapter working of constitution. What is mean the constitution? Constitution mean the bunch of rule and regulation. Just know that the constitution mean the soul of the nation. Because of that we have to study the history regarding the constitution. Before the independence, Indian people started to write the constitution. It was the great struggle of Indian people against the British government. Indian people fought to get their rights. Indian people dream how will be our nation after the independence. In such a situation, the Indian people started to write a constitution in 1946. We completed our constitution 26 November 1949. And in 1950, we started to enforce our constitution. It was not just thing, it was a critical challenge. It was a great challenge. Indian people accepted the challenge, and Indian people started to study the constitution of different type of nation and decided to get their ideas, their principle in our constitution. The constitution mean only the bunch of rule and regulation. No, it is the soul of the nation, and it affect the more in a civilian of the nation. So because of that, we have to understand the principle of the constitution. And in the first chapter of the working of constitution, we have to study the local government, we have to study the fundamental rights, we have to study the duty, we have to study the organ of the government, area of the government. Initially, we have to study the area of the government, the area of the constitution, the three organ of the constitution. In that, the parliament, judiciary, executive. The parliamentary system we accepted. The what is mean the parliamentary system? The parliamentary system mean that where the people will elect a representative and send a representative in a parliament, behalf of the people, they will enact the law for the people. It is called the parliament. Parliament enact the law, and a judiciary interpret the law. When the parliament enact the law, they discuss so much in a parliament, it is useful or not, and suppose they got the majority, the law can be passed. And when law is passed, then the judiciary started to interpret in that. Judiciary think that it is under the limitation or not of the constitution. Suppose the law which is enacted by the parliament, it is under the limitation of the constitution, then the judiciary think that it is okay. But suppose it is not under the limitation, the judiciary can send back such a law to the again the parliament to rethink. Mean the judiciary revoke the law, we can say. After the judiciary, the role of the executive started. What is mean the executive? The executive mean the people who implement the policy of the government. That from the DM mean the district magistrate, mean the collector to the peon. That is called the executive. And executive has the duty to implement the policy which is decided by the government. So how people got the right? Because of the constitution. Constitution mean only the enact the law, only the execute the policy. No, constitution mean that the protect the rights of the people also. The government given the constitution given the different type of right to the people, right to expression, right of liberty, right of education. And in such a situation, the government decided to enact a different type of law, different type of right. In a right of information, RTI 2005, that the people should get the right. What is the secrecy of the government must be broken is the intentions of the parliament. Because of that, RTI was enacted. So we have to study different type of thing. In that, we have to study the fundamental rights. What is the fundamental rights? Fundamental rights mean that which government cannot taken back. Government cannot taken back the rights of the people. That is called the fundamental rights. We can say human rights, but in an Indian political system, sometimes the government can revoke. Government can take back the fundamental rights in emergency. Emergency we got from the Germany. When the structure of the government or political system in dangers, the government declare the emergency under the article 352, 356 and 360. 352 and 356 we got experience of the emergency. Emergency means that where the rights of the people can be seized. We got such a principle from the Germany. The fundamental rights we got, the duty, the directive principle, the parliamentary system, the federal system. Federal system we got from the America. Federal system means that the central government and state government, the rights of the nation or the government can be divided between two areas. the central government and state government. We have to study in this chapter the social justice. Social justice means justice should be given to everyone without a discrimination. Suppose we can get the thing that the government decided to give the more right empowerment of the women is social justice. Mean that there were some area, there were some the classes or the field or the people who were so backward from the thousand of year. They should get the justice. Justice, delivering the justice, there will not be the any type of discrimination. The person, any person can face the election, and he can be appointed as the prime minister, appointed as the CM, PM, etc., or the MLA, MP. The people should get the right. The political justice. What means the political justice? Because of that, the government given the reservation for the different type of classes. Women got the reservation. Because of that, the women reach to the parliament. They can raise the voice for the empowerment of the women. We know social justice is a challenge today in our society because there are different type of creed, different type of religion. They have different type of culture, tradition, and because in that we found sometimes we get that the voice of the constitution can be broken, can be destroyed, can be killed. It should not be done. It is intention of the constitution. To be understanding the constitution, we have to study the directive principle. Directive principle, it is in our constitution. Because of that, the people, the rural people should get the more right. We have to study the socialism. Socialism in that the people will build up the institution for the welfareness of the people, for the providing the facility to the people, and there is not anything regarding the profit and loss. Government cannot do the work only for the profit and loss. Government think only for the welfareness. So in such a way we have to study different type of thing. The right of expression, the fundamental right we have to study, the duties we have to study, the right of vote we have to study, the empowerment women of the we have to study, we have to identify, we have to got such a site, we have to got such a skill in that we can understand the ingredient of the constitution. I think we know the preamble of the constitution. In every subject book, in a first page we can see the preamble. Preamble is the soul of the constitution. If the person understand the preamble, definitely he can understand the constitution. So friends, we have to study each and every point and ingredient of the constitution in this chapter, the working of constitution. How the constitution work, we have to study. How the function is a function, how the function the constitution we have to study. Next period, definitely we can understand a different thing. Thank you.